The electric vehicle revolution is here, but there's a catch. Charging times are still too slow. Imagine waiting in line for gas for 30 minutes or more. That's the reality for many EV owners today. But what if you could swap your drained battery for a fully charged one in just 3 minutes? This is the future that NIO and CATL are building. They promise to eliminate range anxiety and transform the EV charging experience. No more long waits at charging stations, just quick and easy battery swaps that get you back on the road in a flash. This revolutionary technology could be a game changer. It has the potential to accelerate the adoption of EVs worldwide. Imagine a world where charging your car is as easy as filling up your gas tank. With NIO and CATL leading the charge, that future may be closer than we think. NIO, the Chinese electric vehicle maker, and CATL, the world's largest battery manufacturer, have teamed up. Their mission to create the world's largest battery swap network. This partnership brings together two industry giants with a shared vision. NIO brings its expertise in electric vehicles and battery swapping infrastructure. CATL brings its cutting-edge battery technology and manufacturing prowess. Together, they are a force to be reckoned with. Their partnership is already making waves. CATL plans to invest heavily in NIO's battery swapping network. This will allow NIO to expand its network rapidly and bring its technology to more EV drivers. The future of EV charging is looking bright. Building a global battery swapping network is no easy feat. NIO and CATL face many challenges. One major hurdle is the lack of standardization in battery packs. EVs come in all shapes and sizes, and so do their batteries. This makes it difficult to design a swapping system that works for all EVs. Another challenge is the cost. Building a battery swapping station is expensive, and with NIO reporting significant financial losses, securing funding for expansion is crucial. Convincing other automakers to adopt this technology is also key. Many are hesitant due to concerns about supply chain disruptions and compatibility issues. Overcoming these challenges will require innovation, collaboration, and a bit of faith. But the potential rewards are enormous. NIO and CATL are tackling these challenges head-on. They are working to standardize battery packs, making them easily swappable across different EV models. They are also investing heavily in research and development to improve battery technology and reduce costs. Their vision extends beyond China. They aim to expand their network globally, bringing 3-minute battery swaps to EV drivers worldwide. The impact of their efforts could be profound. Widespread adoption of battery swapping could accelerate the transition to electric mobility. It could reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and create a cleaner, more sustainable future. NIO and CATL are leading the charge, proving that with innovation and collaboration, we can overcome the challenges of electric mobility and create a better future for all.